Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and starting the update now. Connect to a stable Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Wired is more reliable for big downloads. Make sure the console stays powered, leave it plugged in and turn off autosleep for at least 30 minutes. Sign into your Xbox profile so settings and licenses sync. Once done, open Settings, navigate to System, then Updates. This initiates the first actionable step. Let the console check for firmware and system updates. Once the console has found updates, select available updates to download them. You should monitor the progress bar and download speed. This tells you if the network or Xbox is the bottleneck. If storage is low, free space by uninstalling unused games or moving them to a USB 3.0 external drive. Make sure it is formatted for Xbox. If multiple downloads run, pause background installs so the system update finishes faster. Make sure to avoid powering off the console during active installation. You complete the process by allowing the console to reboot and apply the update when prompted. This final configuration can take several minutes. After reboot, check Settings, System, Console info to confirm the new version and install time. If apps or games misbehave, clear the cache by holding the power button for 10 seconds and restarting. If an update fails repeatedly, power cycle, switch to a wired connection, or prepare an offline system update on a USB drive. This often resolves persistent firmware installation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.